this one. Pop this one out. Let's get the other battery. Let's check voltage on this one. Scoot over. Cool outside, but then it got hot where I'm at now, or warm. What do we got? What do we got, guys? 12.6. That's good. So 12.6 volts. Today is the 20th. And I did it. I did it. So again, we're gonna go red. We're going to do the negative this time, I think. Well, actually, we'll do red because it's shorter. Let's go ahead and pop it in there. Oops. Oh, come on. There's where the magnetic tip comes into hand. Right here, because you're able to get that with the magnetic screwdriver to pop this in. Make sure that you guys always do negative to negative and positive to positive, because if not, you are going to have sparks. You don't want to have sparks. Sparks are never fun. Maybe they are once in a blue moon. Make sure that's nice and tight. Let's get your negative. Pop it in through there. Get your washer. So I am in a mess. I've already been 15 minutes on past my time. So with these little details that get you. Definitely forward to all this junk. This is just for training purposes. Hopefully somebody could use this video. I'm gonna snap a quick picture. Boom, there we go. Now we'll put everything back together. We're going to start at the top. To the other end. That's what I like about this culture, that once you have these on top, the bottom ones pretty much line up. We're going to put this back on. gonna start from inside to out. And then we're also gonna give this guy a new battery charger, so I need to make sure that it's charging. So I'll go in there and plug that in. Make sure voltage go up when I'm testing the voltage. Pretty easy job, man. There we go. Make sure everything is nice and tight. That's in. Grab my hat. Pop it back on. Let's grab the seat. Post it back up. So before, it wasn't even turning on. Just make sure everything's nice and tight. I'm gonna put on neutral for a little bit. Oops. Just pop this back on. Make sure it snaps in there. There we go. Put it in drive. Got some juice. Voila. Now it's working the way it should. Everything's nice and tight. Oops. Okay. Everything looks good. Take some pictures of the power chair. Front picture, joystick picture. Probably need some lubrication, which I don't have because I didn't bring it with me. So we replaced batteries, joystick, and battery charger. And I'll show you guys how to check battery charger voltage here in a minute. Clean up my mess. Ratchet is the way to go, for sure. This bag is a pretty cool bag. Pop that in there. Pop that in there. Pop that in there. Here's my jumper. Pop that in there. The gloves, trash. Make sure we pick up all the trash from here. The new battery charger. Stick the batteries in there. Close that up. Bring that up here. Bring that right there, right there. Pretty easy. Okay, let's check charger now. All right, sir, I'm all done. I'm going to check your battery charger to make sure it works properly, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Anything, just let me know.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You want a coffee or something?
No, I'm good, thank you.
It never worked. I never used it.
You never used it? So you want to make sure that you charge your batteries
Well, I have it plugged in all the time.
Okay, but you have to use it.
What?
You have to use it though.
Yeah, but I couldn't use it because it never worked.
Right. So the
When
way.
I did get a chance to use it, it wouldn't go.
Okay. So from now on, every time you use your power chair, go ahead and plug it in at night, 10 to 12 hours.
Say that again.
Every time you use the power chair, go ahead and plug it in at night, 10 to 12 hours. Okay? So let me give you an example. Say tonight, go ahead and plug it in because I just put new batteries, so let them charge overnight. Tomorrow, if you use the chair for more than 4 hours, plug it in at night. If you're only going to use the chair for 2 hours, then plug it in every 2 nights. Okay? So you just want to make sure, because if you don't plug it in...
I never did use it. Honest to God, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I believe you. No, you're fine. Oops. Yeah, no, I believe you, sir. I do.
I never got a chance to use it because it never worked.
Right. Well, now it works, so you'll be able to use it.
So I don't, I really will use it because I can't go anywhere.
Right.
I have someone pushing me.
Right.
Actually, I live on a hill like this.
Yeah.
I can't go anywhere.
Yeah. You definitely want to use it because it's gonna help you, right? Like, go out and get some sunshine.
There's a plug right there. I think one is still plugged in.
Yeah, the other one's still plugged in. I see that, so I'm gonna unplug that one and plug this one in.